LG smart TVs with a built-in Wi-Fi card can connect to wireless networks without using a wireless dongle. To connect to a wireless network, press Smart Home on the magic remote control to open the Smart Home. On the My Apps, select Settings. Go to the Network menu and open the Network Connection submenu, and then select Start Connection. After you turn on the wireless connection, a list of available wireless networks appears. Select the wireless network that you want to use. If you are using a secure router, enter the security key and select OK button to establish a connection. When your TV is connected to a network, the network status appears at the top of the smart home. If you see the disconnection icon, check the status of your network connection. You can also manually set up certain wireless connection functions. To do so, connect to a wireless network and then select the other network list. Select the manual setup option and then select wireless. Select the connection method that you want to use and then follow the setup process for that connection method.